Imagine if online training could detect when an airman is losing focus and then remedy the situation by restoring motivation. This is the goal of Project Omega. In the U.S. Air Force, airmen have to master large volumes of highly technical material. While all would agree that such training is necessary, even the most diligent airmen cannot maintain complete engagement at all times for all learning activities. And while most will recover their motivation, there remains a risk that lapses in engagement could result in less proficiency or even washout. To help these learning environments maintain airman motivation, EduWorks is creating Omega, a general-purpose, cloud-based appliance to promote more effective training and education across the Air Force learning enterprise. Omega works with virtually any training system and monitors how well an airman is paying attention and how engaged they are in their learning activities. Whenever Omega identifies a lapse in engagement, it can recommend adaptations to the learning environment to help restore motivation. In this way, any learning environment can make use of Omega to detect lapses in engagement and recommend adaptations to restore motivation. Omega works whether an airman is reading a PDF, taking an online course, or interacting in a simulation. Omega, enhancing readiness across the force by improving learning outcomes, personnel retention, and airman proficiency.